What is the agenda for today?
24. 24 and whole chapter revised.
Today's
Revised
agenda
17.
is section 24. Then what about 25?
25.
25 का क्या करना है?
25A और B रिवाइज कराएंगे.
24, 25A, 25B. Right?
Yes, sir.
And once we had done this, then we will revise section 17 to 23, then 25 and 26. These we will revise. This is revise and this is fresh that we are going to do. This is the agenda for today. So all of you had done the homework. What was the homework today?
Sir, revising from section 17 to 26.
चलो फिर एक जनरल क्वेरी सबसे ईमानदारी से बताना मुझे without bluffing. How many of you had done the homework properly?
Not done, sir.
Okay. Or
So I have read it, but
Partially covered, sir.
24, I'm unable to understand section 24.
understanding is not required. That is my job.
I've gone through it. I've gone through it.
That is important. That is important. You've gone through that. That is enough. Okay. What about remaining sections? All the sections right from 17 up to 26?
Sir, understood, sir.
Good. देखो जितना ज्यादा आप काम करोगे उतना ज्यादा फायदा आपका होगा, है ना? और क्वेरीज भी तभी आएंगी when you go through some questions or rather some topic. Otherwise, whatever is understood, that is already there. When you read it again, then you may have a doubt. Then there will be question. So the questions are not coming. It means either nothing is understood or too much is understood, including that which I have not taught. ठीक है, चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. So now coming to section 24. So section 24, this is saying power to make rules. Who is having the authority to make the rules?
Central government. Sir.
Central government.
And who makes the regulations?
CBIC.
Board, sir, board.
CBIC, or you can say board. Okay. So when the title says power to make rules, this automatically implies first line. Right? Is it worth remembering? Who will make the rules? No, because throughout the act, rules are made by central government and regulations are made by CBIC. So when the title says power to make rules, it means this is the power is exercisable by the central government. And this is talking about rules for denaturing or mutilation of the goods. Either denaturing or mutilation. What is denaturing? What is mutilation? Wording is there, mutilation, but till now no provisions or no rules have been made regarding mutilation. Provisions are there only for denaturing. Right? So denaturing, let us write the word this way. Denaturing. The root word of this is nature. Okay, Arun. The root word is nature. Right? So denaturing means what? Changing the nature of the goods. Denaturing means changing the nature of the goods. Right. Now, what is important in this section is that if the denaturing of an article is allowed as per the rules, only one article is there, that is spirit or alcohol, nothing else. Right? Rules provide for only one article, that is spirit or alcohol. Right? Same product, two names, either spirit or alcohol. Now, challenge is that these products can be used for industrial purpose, for medical purpose, and for human consumption. Same product can be used for three different purposes. Right? What do you understand by the third purpose?
Sir, human consumption.
Hmm.
Human consumption directly human is utilizing that
Liquor, sir.
liquor. alcohol.
As liquor.
That is theory. Practically, who's consuming whom?
Liquor is consuming. human.
Consuming woman.
Right? Theoretically, it is human consumption. Actually, it is the liquor which is consuming the human. Okay. Anyway, now these same product can be used for three different purposes. Right? Now, just to give you an idea about the rate of duty applicable on this, actual rates are not there. I'm just giving you an idea. One. Now, just indicative rates I'm giving. Industrial alcohol may attract a rate of duty at 15%. Just indications. These are not actual rates. Medical purpose, this may attract at 40%. And this may attract even 200% also. Right? If pure alcohol is being imported, at what rate duty should be payable? Where different rates are given, the duty will always be chargeable at the
Higher side.
highest rate applicable. Right? So in this case, what will happen? Whenever there is alcohol, always 200%. But somebody who was imported for industrial purpose, why he should end up paying 200%? Or somebody who is having a license to manufacture the medicines where the liquor is alcohol is required, why he should pay 200% when actually it should be 40%? Right? So this section is applicable only in relation to a product which is capable of different type of uses, and based on that, the various rates of duties are applicable. So as of now, only for one product. As of now, this is only for one
Alcohol.
product, which is already mentioned, right? So in this, what is said in the rules is that on the request of the importer, who will do the denaturing? Request is made by importer. And then some prescribed material is going to be mixed with the imported material. क्या mix करना है?
Prescribed material.
Some prescribed material. And whose responsibility is to get the material for mixing? It is again the importer. Everything is done in presence of officer. Maybe officer himself mixes. But what material, that is not important for us to know. But the prescribed material is made available by the importer along with the request that material is required to be denatured, but the denaturing will be done provided he is entitled for that purpose. If he doesn't,
To watch full video, join online batch weekdays 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Call TAIL Institute.